shot. You see this? Ang dami. Which one?
Kaya mo yun, kaya mo.
Dito muna tayo sa
Baka ikis kita. Kaya mo.
May linya pa, may linya pa.
Okay.
Tag mo na, feel ko to. After all your love.
Kiss daw! Bro, and stop texting me. Oh my gosh. Guys, if I drop the phone, forget you guys, okay? Ano years? Picture. Parang bagong kasal na.
Hindi ako kakalas.
Talaga naman ay. Go ahead. Perfect. You guys do amazing. That's the best love team ever. Sharon Cunita and Gavi Concepcion.
Anong ginawa
Here we
niya?
go.
Nakablock ka eh.
So, na-block ka.
Sabi ko, black, para term na tayo.
Ganda. Twinning.
Cleaning, okay.
Uy, parang mga bagets lang ah.
Oo, ang galing-galing niya kumanta, no?
Talagang di siya ron yan. Ngayon lang ako narinig kung kailan kami nag-concert.
No. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina,
Nagbabalawan.
balutin mo. Lahat ng makita ko sa restaurant, ganun. Kaya, I will never forget you.
Kakaloka talaga to si Gabi.
Because
Bakit mo sila?
sa kanila
Isa pa
galing.
sa'yo.
Galing yun sa... Hindi, huwag ka manginig sa akin. Dahil you were always on my mind.
Yeah, you're
Naloko na.
a buffet. My God.
Mas lalo na. No. Pag buffet, walang balutin mo. Bawal. Hindi ako nagpupunta ng buffet. No.
Hindi buffet pag private party. Yeah, I know you wish, right?
Wala sa teleprompter yan, ha?
Wala na.
Wala yun. Talaga.
Marami naman tayong agip every show. Iba kung ano-anong ginagawa natin. Part-time
Hindi na nga natin nasusunod to eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi na nga namin anong susunod eh.
Kaya ayan, sa dami ng ginawa natin movies together and theme songs, syempre, the one will always stand out to us. It will always be the most special dahil dito nagsimula ang lahat.
Pero teka muna, bago natin patugtugin ang music. Nagpapawikan ka na.
O naman, kukuha ka muna ng tissue. Kasi pag ginaganyan mo, nililipat mo yung pause ko dito na pupunta doon.
Hindi, ganti lang yan yun.
So, yeah.
Who knows, I'll just do this for the pose of Dear Heart. Please get your cameras out. This is the Dear Heart pose. Baba mo to. Ready? Naku, pag di nyo na ako na...
Over here. I did it again, over here. On this
Here, here.
Kantahin na natin.
Pantay na lang ito. This was the Dear Heart movie that we did.
For all of you who grew up with us and followed us throughout all these decades, we love you and this is for all of you.
Kopya ko ha.
Dear
Oh my. Go ahead.
at di mo pagkayang mag-isa.
Kinakabahan ako eh.
Kinakabahan.
Sa bawat kaba, alam ba
isa. Mahal pala.
Sa batang katulad mo, ito'y malang araw, magugulat ang lahat. Ikaw
Talaga halatang hindi singer si Gabby Concepcion. No? Talaga naman.
Anong sasabihin mo sa akin?
Sa bawat kata, alam ba nila?
Hindi talaga alam nila
Ang pag-ibig
kung ano nangyari.
na darama.
Oh my! Go ahead! The best love them! Yes! Nakikisabay ito sa mga millennial. Go ahead!
Dear heart,
Woo!
Kiss!
dear heart.
Dear heart,
Dear heart.
Ayun!
parang kahapon lamang.
Yes! Parang
Kahapon lang.
parang 15 lang ako.
At parang 14 lang ako.
Ang kapal,
Ano,
mali.
mas mahal ako sa'yo. Ano
May
ba?
mga dapat tayong pasalamatan kasi without
Yes.
them, hindi tayo makakapag-concert tour, di ba?
Yes.
They're so important to this performance and all our
And we're
performances during the whole tour in the US and in Canada. First of all, of course, we want to thank
We're in Westgate.
Las Vegas Resort and
yes.
Casino. Thank you, Westgate. Such an honor to be performing here. And Music Productions, thank you so much, Craig Reyes. We love you,
Reyes, si
Craig.
Craig Reyes. Kung gusto niyo ng Peking Duck, eto lang, si Chris Reyes.
Ha?
Patadala kayo sa kwarto niyo ng Peking Duck. Okay.
Halo-halo. Si Craig yung producer. Si Chris ba? Yung ang layo.
Ayun
Anyway,
na siya, oh. Maraming salamat sa GMA, Pinoy TV for
Yes.
promoting. Yes,
thank you
GMA.
to my home, the Filipino channel, ABS-CBN, TFC. Sa November 28 po, I hope you have a Prime subscription, yung Amazon Prime po. Please abangan niyo po, November 28, my latest teleserye with Julia Montes,
Panoorin
Saving
natin yan.
Grace. Yan, it's gonna stream sa mapapanood niyo po sa Prime. And I want to thank my lawyers, Attorney Lourdes Tancinco, and the Lewis Law Group also. Thank you so much to you.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
I'd also like to thank my lawyer, attorney Alex, who's here tonight. Are you here tonight, Alex? And by the way, nabanggit mo si Julia Montes.
Mm-hmm.
Di ba Montes ako?
It's not her real last name.
That's not her name. That's
It's
just her
not.
screen name. Oh.
She's
Tinanong
my
ko
baby
kasi,
girl.
sabi ko, Montes ka ba? Ay, hindi. Ano,
German yun eh. Yung anak kong yun.
Sayang, meron sana akong
Connection, di ba?
Oo.
Anyway, we also
Wala.
want to say a big thank you to Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, always our official
Thank you, Philippine
airline.
Airlines.
Thank
And of
you.
course,
NY.
Nancy Yan.
NY
Yeah.
Entourage Productions, we
For
love
bringing
you.
us here.
Peachy Mariana for my hair, and Jeffy Aramin for my, Peachy for my makeup, and Jeffy Aramin for my hair. Thank you.
Yeah.
And our dear heart.
Linde for my makeup and for my hair.
Okay.
Sige, okay na rin yan.
And our Dear Heart team, Andy Anderson.